This is classical Surya Namaskara. It is a great way to begin to warm the body in the beginning of class and to bring conscious intention to linking breath to movement. Coming to the front of your mat, draw your hands to your heart. Take a moment to set your intention for your practice. And then release the hands down by your hips, rotate the palms forward. Let all of the air empty from your body. Inhale, arms overhead, palms touch. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, right foot steps back. Release the right knee, release the right toes. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, sink the hips forward. Let the shoulders come down from the ears. Release the hands. Left foot steps back, coming into plank. Remember, you can always release your knees if you need to. Slowly lowering all the way down onto our bellies. Release the toes. Inhale, use the strength of the upper back to lift up. Exhale, push into the hands, push into the knees. Tuck the toes and take the hips up, downward facing dog. Right foot steps forward, left knee plants, release the back toes. Inhale, arms lift. Exhale, release the hands. Left foot steps forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Arms overhead, palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart.